Welcome to the vlog, guys. What a day right now. I mean, as soon as you hit, even when you're in the shade, it is still so hot outside. I mean, I don't know how you can stand it. I don't know how you can stand it. So today, guys, I hope you're having a great day. Today, I hope you guys are having a great day. Really, I don't have a plan for today. Yeah, I really don't have a plan for today. Because I'm running out of ideas for vlogs. I went on the trampoline so many times. I've I don't know what else I've really done that makes me run out of ideas, really. I mean, I've been to the Sandlot once, though. Trampoline is a big one. But the Sandlot over there, we might want to go check it out. Because our Gaga pit at school was all muddy, so I'm assuming that that's all muddy. I might check it out, I might just leave it alone, but basically I'm gonna go in the house, check out Nick, and see what I can do, because I don't think my camera can handle this heat, because it is like 80, almost 90 degrees. So yeah, let's go inside. So guys, it is much cooler in here. You can even ask Nick, because Nick is probably just going to stay in here. He's going to the Lognuts game tonight. I don't know who they're playing tonight. I think they might be playing Fort Wayne, because they're playing Fort Wayne tomorrow, and my school is going, or the 5th grade. 5th grade's going. That's basically it. So guys, we're going to play with Play-doh today.
No, we're not allowed to play with Mom's Play-doh. Only I am.
This is Mom's Play-doh?
No.
Alright, apparently that was my mom's Play-doh. What was it for?
Is that hard?
No. Does this look hard to you guys? Answer next question.
Okay.
Guys, I hate how Play-Doh just stays like that. You can even ask Jake. Yeah, you guys, Jake's here too. Okay. Jake was about to answer.
I'll get some scissors.
Alrighty, guys, next set in scissors. Smells good. Looks good too. Okay. I remember what Nick did yesterday. He made he laid a fidget spinner on it. And I did it. I'm gonna try that with mine. See if I can find mine. Okay, here's mine. Oh, really. Because right here, Play-Doh looks like this right now.
See, I caught it.
But now, it's stuck. The fidget spinner is still fine. Now, looks like this.
I'm making a ball over here. Baseballs.
Alright, now we're going to snip it in half.
The fidget spinner. No. Here, I'll get a roller.
I don't know why we need a ruler.
What?
Oh, a roller or a ruler?
A roller.
Why would we need a ruler? Okay, I'm going to cut one. Okay, I have 3 pieces now. Now, they don't have the fidget spinner side on them. See, they look exactly like this. Oh, whoops. The fidget spinner side is not facing up. So, you will make one like that. One with the middle down. Well, this one was kind of hard with the middle because there. And then another one, just that. And then I will put them back together.
Okay.
And then roll it
This
up.
is what my Play-doh looks like.
And then put the fidget spinner down now.
I got it out, and you guys should see how it looks.
Alright guys,
get the
I'm gonna
scissors.
Alrighty guys, this is my final fidget spinner. Right
I'm cutting mine out.
right here, guys. So that is it for the vlog. I already made one today from Mother's Day. That video was not filmed today. So like it, like this one, subscribe, and tell all your friends about these videos. And me, Nick, and Jake will see you in my next vlog.
Jake is even here.
See ya! You're pussies!